that you had.
Ikereka ria mbere ria woyani wa mawira guthii nja ya bururi mweri umwe muhituku ria guciririe makiri ma a Kenya no ona kuhanora uguo mweki uyu wari wa andu anini tu.
Fix my pipes quietly.
Thiini wa igongona riria rigukinyitio ni munini wa mutongoria wa bururi Kithure Kindiki na minister wa Labour Alfred Mutua umuthi gikundi kia andu 300 hari 8,000 aria moiru thiini wa ikereka ria mbere ni mamukirire visa ciao magitanywo kwambiriria kumagara guthii bururi-ini wa Qatar gatagati ka utuku wa umuthi na muthi wa gatano kiumia giki.
The visas will now be coming every other day, so this will be a continuous process, people signing job offers, working on it and moving.
And therefore we need to explain that Kazi Maju is not a migration program. It needs to be clarified. Kazi Maju is a labor mobility program to assist workers to access jobs outside Kenya.
Kuringana na Mutua, mihango ino irarumirira mutaratara na no mwaka aria maratanywo kumagara makoro makihitukirio ithimi ngurani akihithuria ati kuri makanjirwo thabari kumana na uhuthiri wa dawa cia kurevya hamwe na mahitia mangĩ.
They don't want drug takers in their country. So some people have actually been eliminated because they were taking drugs, yet they were very good skilled people. Nobody in the world wants drug takers.
Akioneka gukirira a Kenya aria makoretwo makiruta mahitia tabarire ino Mutua augite gutiri mundu uthingiririo kumagara guthii Qatar atekwiyendera nao aria monete mawira matirarugamirirwo ni thirikari kumagara mugaru noria a Kenya aingi maratanyite.
Nobody is forcing you to go. Nobody is forcing you to pay. You make the choice. So it's good for you to understand that there are some that provide everything, others don't provide everything, and it's there. My job as a minister is to make sure that you're not conned. If you've paid a deposit and you fail your medicals, then you get back the remaining money.
Nchi ya Qatar imesema kwa mfano iko na nafasi ya zaidi ya 8,000 za watu wetu ya Kenya. Nchi moja tu na zinaweza hata kuongezeka. Jameni, tusipinge mradi ya Wakenya ambao hawana kazi na wamepata kazi na wanataka kwenda kufanya hiyo kazi.
Kuringana na amwe aria twaranirie nao mutaratara uyu urahuthirire mbeca itanyihiire shilingi 55,000.
Charges kidogo kama ya medical, ya kuprocess visa tulichajiwa tu pesa kidogo like 55,000. That was for the process peke yake, but for the ticket and other expenses government waligaramia.
Na banene yao megukorwo makiruta wira bururi-ini wa Qatar kwa ihinda ria miaka 2 makioneka gukorwo na mwihoko munene wa gucenjia muturire wao na wa family ciao.
Tunaenda kule nje mostly ku gain skills. Huku ndani hakuna kazi. Tukienda pale nje tunafanya kazi na gain skills. At the end of it we return home. Tunakuja tunachenga nje yetu kama Kenya. We expose our skills yenye tutakuwa tumepata huko nje.
We are expecting a very good and conducive working place ya kwamba yenye tunaweza fanya kazi kwa amani na pia tuweze kunufaika na ile kitu yenye tunaenda kupata huko. Na pia familia waweze kufurahia.
Thirikari ni iranire guthii na mbere guthondeka mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini niguo gutigirira aria matano na mieke ya mawira nja ya bururi ni megwatira mieke ya mawira guku bururi-ini. Handu-ini ha Kameme TV njitagwo Ngina wa Waduro.